Got Fire and Rain today by James Taylor. He wrote it in response to the suicide of a friend of his at the Golden Valley Psychiatric Hospital, a locked facility where he was back probably in the late 70s. Heroin addiction and depression were things that James Taylor struggled with. I feel close to James Taylor, not necessarily because of those things, but we are born on the same day. We're both born on March 12th, so I feel like he's a cosmic twin, along with my Mando buddy Emily, who also shares that birthday. So we're all connected here. I'm going to try to get in touch with what I guess would be his sadness when he wrote this song, not the pop song that you heard on the radio quite so much. Just yesterday morning, they let me know you were gone. Suzanne, the plans they made put an end to you. I walked out this morning and I wrote down this song. I just can't remember who to send it to. Oh, I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I've seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. Oh, but I always thought I'd see Won't you look down upon me, Jesus? You gotta help me make a stand. You just gotta see me through another day. My body's aching, my time is at hand. I won't make it any other way. Oh, I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I've seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought I'd see you again. Been walking my mind to an easy time, my back turned towards the sun. Lord knows when the cold wind blows, it'll turn your head around. There's hours of time on the telephone line, talk about things to come. Sweet dreams and flying machines and pieces on the ground. Oh, I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. Seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. Oh, but I